Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn an important English phrase, get used to. This phrase is very useful in everyday conversations, and by the end of this lesson, you'll know how to use it correctly. Get used to means to become familiar or comfortable with something. For example, when you start a new job, it might feel difficult at first, but after some time, you will get used to it. Here is the structure. Subject plus get plus used to plus noun or gerund. Don't worry about the details just yet. I'll show you examples soon. Here are some examples of how to use get used to. She got used to the new schedule quickly. This means that she became comfortable with her new schedule in a short time. They'll get used to the colder weather soon. In this sentence, get used to shows that adapting to the weather will happen in the future. I'm getting used to waking up early so I can walk the dog before work. This shows a process. It's happening now. See how get used to works with different time frames? Past, future, and present. Many learners make mistakes when using get used to. Let's look at some examples. Incorrect. I get used to work early. Correct. I'm getting used to working early. Incorrect. He is get used to running. Correct. He is getting used to running. The verb get changes depending on the tense. Also, don't forget to use a gerund after used to. This is very important. Let's practice. Fill in the blanks. They get used to living in a small town. Correct this sentence. She get used to eating spicy food after living in India for a while. I am still get used to my new job. Take a moment to think about your answers. Pause the video if you need more time. Here are the answers. They are getting used to living in a small town. Corrected sentence. She got used to eating spicy food after living in India for a while. I am still getting used to my new job. How did you do? If you got them right, great work. If not, review the examples and try again. That's the end of our lesson. If you want to get more used to English phrases like this, join us online. Our teachers are here to help you improve your English, answer your questions, and practice with you. Plus, we provide self-study materials and more. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.